Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Discord screen share lagging. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a super quick and easy way to improve your screen share performance and reduce lag issues on Discord. First, open your Discord app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once Discord is open, go to the bottom left corner and click on the Settings icon to open your user settings. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced. Here, you'll see an option called Hardware Acceleration. Turn hardware acceleration off, then completely restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, open Discord again and test your screen share to see if the lag issue is fixed. If the lag still exists, go back to the same setting and turn hardware acceleration back on, as some systems perform better with it enabled. Next, stay in the Discord settings and click on Voice and Video from the left menu. Scroll down under the Voice section until you find Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. If this option is turned on, switch it off. This setting can sometimes cause lag or stuttering during screen sharing, especially on slower or unstable internet connections. After that, continue scrolling down to the Video section and you will see Video Hardware Acceleration option. If you have that option, simply turn off Video Hardware Acceleration. Then, simply close the settings and try screen sharing again. If the problem still isn't fixed, the last thing you can do is reduce system load. Open the Task Manager by typing it into the Windows search bar. Once Task Manager opens, look for apps or background processes that you're not using, such as unnecessary launchers or sync services. Click on those apps and choose End Task to free up system resources. After closing unused programs, go back to Discord and try screen sharing again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Discord screen share lagging. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.